Ever wonder about the complexities of quantum computing? Has the idea of creating software for quantum computing ever piqued your interest? We explore the intriguing field of quantum programming today, dissecting it into easily understood steps. Step 1. Delving into quantum mechanics. It's the foundation of quantum computing, the realm where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, where they can be both here and there, both 0 and 1. This is a world that defies our everyday logic, a world where the weird and the wonderful rule. Understanding quantum mechanics is crucial to grasping the principles of quantum programming. Step 2. Learning the quantum programming language. The same way that programming languages like Python, Java, and C++ exist for classical computers, quantum computers also have their own. Languages such as Q-hash, Qiskit, and Quil are among the most popular. These languages are designed specifically for quantum computing, allowing programmers to write code that utilizes the power of quantum bits, or qubits. Step 3. Getting hands-on experience with quantum computers. Compared to their classical counterparts, quantum computers are not as widely available. However, cloud-based platforms like IBM's Quantum Experience and Rigetti's Quantum Cloud Services offer access to real quantum computers. Using these platforms, one can run quantum programs and see the power of quantum computing firsthand. So, to summarize, the journey into quantum programming involves a deep dive into quantum mechanics, learning the language of quantum computing and getting hands-on experience by running programs on real quantum computers. It's a journey into a world that defies logic, a world that holds the promise of solving problems that were once thought impossible. Remember, the world of quantum is different. It's new, and it's exciting. It's a world where the rules of the game are different. It's a world where the impossible becomes possible. So take that first step into quantum programming today. The future is quantum, and it's waiting for you.